Hello everyone and welcome to the 19th match in round 1 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's the number 15 seed Marlie Mount Primary from St. Catherine up against Duhaney Park Primary from St. Andrew. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Duhaney Park Primary won. They decided that Marlie Mount Primary should play first. So with 4 minutes on the NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock, Marlie Mount, we begin with Bible knowledge. Where was Jesus and his disciples when he calmed the storm on the Sea of Galilee?
On a boat.
Correct. Duhaney Park, Bible knowledge. By whom was Jesus baptized in the Jordan River?
John the Baptist. John the Baptist.
Correct. Marlie Mount, science. What do special glands in the human air produce that keeps harmful dust and particles out of the air?
Airwax. Airwax.
Correct. Science to you, Duhaney Park. What does the auditory nerve carry to the brain to be perceived as sound?
Sound waves. Sound waves.
Incorrect. Nerve impulses. Marlie Mount, local affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Francois Holland. Francois Holland.
Incorrect. Don Webby, CEO of the Grace Kennedy Group. Local affairs to you, Duhaney Park. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Rodrigo Dancers.
Incorrect. The Honorable Lascelles Chin, Chairman of LASCO. Marlie Mount, English language. How do you spell the word advice as used in this sentence? Attach yourself to those who give you advice rather than praise.
A-D-V-I-C-E. A-D-V-I-S-E.
Incorrect. A-D-V-I-C-E. English language, Duhaney Park. How do you spell the word altar as used in this sentence? The woman went to the altar to pray.
A-L-T-A-R. A-L-T-A-R.
Correct. Marlie Mount, television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Whoopi Goldberg. Whoopi Goldberg.
Correct. Television to you, Duhaney Park. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey.
Correct. Marlie Mount, general knowledge. What is the capital of Venezuela?
San Juan.
Incorrect. Caracas. Duhaney Park, general knowledge to you. What is the capital of Colombia?
Bogota.
Correct. Marlie Mount, social studies. What is the name of the smallest continent?
Australia. Australia.
Correct. Social studies to you, Duhaney Park. On which continent is Chile located?
South America. South America.
Correct. Marlie Mount, music. Which Jamaican reggae artiste released the song I Can See Clearly Now?
Jimmy Cliff. Jimmy Cliff.
Correct. Duhaney Park, music. Which Jamaican reggae artiste released the song Zion in a Vision?
Peter Tosh.
Incorrect. Garnet Silk. Marlie Mount, mathematics. What is the greatest common factor of 15 and 40?
5.
Correct. Mathematics to you, Duhaney Park. What is the greatest common factor of 16 and 24?
4.
Incorrect. 8. Marlie Mount, sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Peter Alward.
Incorrect. Former NBA player Magic Johnson. Duhaney Park, sports. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify the person.
Kevin Durant.
Incorrect. Former NBA player Kobe Bryant. Jamaican affairs, Marlie Mount. In what year did Sam Sharp lead a revolt in Montego Bay, Jamaica?
1832. 1832. 1832.
Incorrect. 1831. Jamaican Affairs, Duhaney Park. What is the name of the movement founded by national hero Marcus Garvey in 1940?
UNIA.
Correct, the Universal Negro Improvement Association. And that is the end of section 1. The scores currently read, both schools tied on 6. But before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, studying in front of the TV is not recommended. Find a quiet, well-lit, low-traffic space for study time. Stay with us. This match in the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.